Are you guys struggling finding a profitable product to sell on Amazon? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I found a six-figure product in 5 minutes or less. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this technique is so simple, it's going to blow your mind, okay? So to put a lot of emphasis on product research, this is by far the most important thing you guys can do to create and build a successful Amazon FBA business. If you don't have a profitable product that's in high demand with low competition, good luck making money. So that's why I'm bringing to you this video is to show you how simple it actually is once you break everything down and understand the process. Another thing that you guys need to understand is if you do what everyone else is doing, you're going to get the same results. And if you get the same results, it's going to be a high competition product and it's going to be very hard to compete against your competitors, especially ones that have been around for a couple years that are experienced with optimizing their listing, etc. Okay, so please keep that in mind, get creative, and this is what this technique is going to do for you. So for it, all we need to know is two simple things: how to work the Jungle Scout Chrome extension and understanding gated categories and restricted products. So if you don't know those things, click the link in the description below because I have videos that go over everything that you need to know about those two topics, okay? So click the link and then come back to this video because it's going to blow your mind. So all we're going to do is go to wish.com. So for those that don't know what Wish is, it's basically a huge marketplace that does drop shipping. So all of these products are literally coming from China and they take forever to arrive to you, but it's kind of cool because you can get it for super cheap, and then you can also get product ideas from them. So make them do the hard research, and then you just basically copy it and put it on Amazon, and 2-day shipping is a lot better than an entire month, okay? So what we're going to do is just click on the different categories, and for this one I'm just going to go to popular because whatever is trending right now. So right off the bat, I kind of have a good eye of what to look for because I've been doing product research so much, but you guys just want to look for literally random products. Those are what are amazing and do the best. It's kind of weird. I don't understand that. But right here, I actually found this product in another research technique, and I know that this product is very well. But let's say you guys didn't know that it was a good product. You're just going to click on it. You're going to seatbelt pillow, and then you're going to go to Amazon. You're going to paste it in there, and then you're going to use the Chrome extension to basically verify whether or not it's a good product. So let's see if that's the product that we're looking for. So right there, perfect. We're going to hit the Chrome extension, and then it's going to break down all the information for us. So this is why this is a must to have this tool, because it's super easy to dissect all the information and decide whether or not you want to sell this product. So we see the reviews, the revenue, and as you can see, the revenues are pretty high. And again, high demand with low competition, an opportunity score of an 8, the average reviews 85. That is an awesome product. That is golden. Right there, we found a product in literally 30 seconds. So let's go see if we can find more products. So obviously there's more research that you guys can do. I mean, you don't want to just use the Chrome extension and then say, I'm going to order that product. There's other steps that you can take, and that's why I would recommend understanding how to actually use the Chrome extension. And that's why I have a video that goes over everything in depth, and what to look for exactly and the numbers to really decide whether or not you should sell it. So that's the first one. This is something that caught my attention. Never seen it, but it is an infant baby head support for car seat. So something very similar, but it props your head up so it doesn't fall down so that the kids can sleep. I'm going to search this. And so as you can see, there's ones that are like little lambs, a panda, kind of funny. So the first two are car seats. And then as you scroll down, that's where you get what you're actually looking for. So please take that into account when you are searching for products. Over here, they might not line up with the exact product that you guys are selling, so it might throw off the opportunity score a little bit. So that's why I say don't just exit out immediately if the opportunity score is super bad or super low or whatever. So you need to make sure that you look at all that. So again, the second product that I just looked, high demand with low competition. So another opportunity score of an 8. The average reviews are a little bit higher, but what I just said is the first 3 are products that we aren't even selling, and those are where the reviews are 2,300, 1,400, 1,600, okay? So that's throwing off the average, and if you look down here, the revenue, 3 reviews, almost $10,000 in revenue. So that's something that's a little bit different. Right here, we have 13 reviews, $6,000 in revenue. So this is a very good product that you guys could go start selling. And obviously, you need to go check to see if there's a patent on it, if it's a restricted product. There's other steps in the research product kind of process, but this is super easy that I'm finding just product after product, and I haven't even been looking for more than 2 minutes. So let's go see if we can find another one. So the first 2 were awesome products. I've looked into those a little bit. They're kind of competitive. This is a summer product, so it could have potential. But here's another summer product for ice. I'm not sure what this is. So new space-saving ice cubes. So basically, it's a way to make ice that saves a lot of space, I'm guessing. And we're going to go right here, search it on Amazon, and sure enough, those same exact ones show up. And one thing that I'm seeing right here, no one has reviews. There's no one selling it there's no prime shipping. So that could be good and it could be bad because there could be a patent on it. I would need to do more research on it, or it's just a new product that is coming out that no one has caught on to yet. So the revenues aren't very high. As you guys can see, 0 reviews. But right here, we have 9 reviews, $172,000 in sales. And that is exactly what we're looking at. So guys, this is the 6-figure product that I found. And it's not even fulfilled by Amazon. It's fulfilled by merchant, and they're doing over $172,000 in revenue with 9 reviews. So just imagine if you guys jumped on this product and there wasn't a patent on it, it wasn't a restricted product, and you started selling it, and you were the only one that was prime shipping, they would buy from you guaranteed, and you would literally dominate this industry because there's not one seller that is fulfilled by Amazon. So that shows that that is a simple product, and right here it gives me an opportunity score of a 5, so it's low demand with low competition. But what we need to look at is none of them are fulfilled by Amazon. There's 0 reviews, so the average review is 1. The average price is pretty good, and the average monthly sales, $2,200. That is an awesome product, and just like that, 3 for 3, I found 3 awesome products in 5 minutes or less, okay? So I could scroll and scroll, and I'm sure I could find more products that I could sell. So right here, let's click on this one. This is a foldable silicone dog bowl. I'm going to copy and paste that into Amazon, and I'm going to search it. You guys get the point. It's super easy. And there's our products. We're going to hit the Chrome extension, and we're going to see what this product is doing. So the reviews right here, 2,500 reviews, 624. Obviously, those are the 2 top sellers. 25, that's not terrible, and they're doing 22,000 in revenue. 334 reviews, 16,000. So right here, it's high demand with high competition. So that's something that I would want to stay away from. So please learn how to use the Chrome extension. I know I'm doing this very quickly, and I'm breaking down all the numbers super quick just because I've been doing it for so long. You guys will get a hang of it, and once you do, product research is the easiest thing ever, and you will find it addicting, and it's going to be fun. So every day I want to look for more products, and I'm like, no, I already am selling products. I don't need to add my 15th product or whatever. So it's super simple once you guys understand it and have fun doing it, and just learn how to look for the numbers, understanding patents, what products to avoid, whether it's glass or batteries, whether it's a heavy product, a lot of variations. I go over all this in my other videos. So if you guys want to learn more about product research, subscribe. I'm dropping weekly videos that are going to bring a lot of value to you. That's going to help you guys build a successful Amazon business and find profitable products to sell, okay? So right here, there's 3 of those things, and they're selling for $1, which is kind of crazy. There's another head support. But I could scroll down and scroll down for hours, and I could probably find 10 good products that I could sell starting tomorrow. So take advantage of this technique. It is something that not a lot of people are doing. I actually have not seen a video about this, so use it while no one else is. So take advantage of it. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and like this video if you guys enjoyed the content. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next video.